think every minor car issue requires a trip to the workshop? You're mistaken. In fact, over 40% of small car problems, such as replacing air filters or resetting maintenance lights, can easily be fixed at home. All you need are some basic tools and a quick tutorial. Unfortunately, most mechanics don't share this information, which is why I'm here to help. I'll walk you through 15 simple repair tips to tackle these fixes on your own, saving you over $2,500 annually. Stick with me, because at the end I'll share a quick hack that can save you at least $500 or more. Welcome to Globally Cars. In this video, we're sharing 15 car repair secrets that will save you over $2,500 every year. Stay tuned to learn how you can save big on car repairs. Have you ever seen those bottles of car additives promising to clean your engine or make it run like new? Most of them are a waste of money. Modern gasoline cars are already equipped with built-in cleaners, so adding anything extra is unnecessary. However, if you drive a diesel vehicle, additives can be helpful in preventing fuel from thickening in cold weather, improving engine performance, and maintaining clean parts. For gasoline cars, unless you're using low-quality fuel or have an old car, additives are typically not needed. Think of them like vitamins, useful only when your car truly requires them. Otherwise, they're just an unnecessary expense. Spark plugs may seem small, but they play a crucial role in your car's performance. They create sparks that ignite the fuel in your engine and keep your car running. If they wear out or become dirty, your car may jerk, lose power, or consume more fuel. If your car feels sluggish or you notice a decrease in gas mileage, it's time to check the spark plugs. Pro tip: if your car requires copper spark plugs, replace them every 30,000 miles. For modern cars with iridium plugs, they typically don't need replacing until 120,000 miles. Always make sure to use the right spark plugs and replace them when necessary. A fresh set will lead to a smoother ride and better fuel efficiency. When the maintenance light flashes on your dashboard, it's usually just a reminder that it's time for an oil change. In most cars, this light turns on every 5,000 miles to nudge you back to the dealership, but you can easily reset it yourself. Instead of visiting a mechanic, just search for how to reset the light based on your car model. It takes only 30 seconds. To take it a step further, you can invest in an OBD2 scanner, which costs around $30 to $40. This handy tool lets you check for hidden car issues yourself, almost like having X-ray vision for your car. The PCV valve is a small part, but it performs an essential job by helping your engine exhale and preventing pressure buildup. If it becomes clogged, you might notice rough idling, increased oil consumption, power loss, or even engine sludge. The fix is simple. Check it every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. A good PCV valve should rattle when shaken, but if it doesn't, replace it. It's an easy and inexpensive fix that could save you thousands on engine repairs. Think the parking brake is only necessary when you park on a hill? Think again. Failing to use the parking brake can wear out your transmission over time, leading to costly repairs. Inside your transmission, there's a small metal part called the parking powel, which isn't designed to hold your car's weight indefinitely. If it breaks, it could result in a repair bill of $1,000 to $1,500. Let it go long enough, and the transmission might need a complete overhaul, costing between $3,000 to $5,000. Just take a couple of seconds to engage your parking brake every time you park, and you could save thousands. Tire pressure plays a crucial role in safety, fuel efficiency, and tire lifespan. Driving with low tire pressure increases fuel consumption, causes faster tire wear, and increases the risk of a blowout. Check the sticker inside the driver's door or your owner's manual for the recommended tire pressure, usually between 28 to 36 psi. Keeping the correct tire pressure not only saves you money on fuel, but also helps tires last longer. Low pressure forces the engine to work harder, burning more gas and unevenly wearing out your tires. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and rotate your tires every 5,000 miles to keep them in good condition. Topping off your gas tank may seem harmless, but it can cause more harm than good. Once the nozzle clicks off, stop pumping. Adding extra fuel doesn't improve your car's performance, and it can overflow into a component that controls gas fumes, damaging the system and leading to expensive repairs. Additionally, spilled fuel evaporates, wasting the gas you just paid for and contributing to air pollution. Trust your car. It knows when the tank is full. Skipping oil changes may seem like an easy way to save money, but it can cost you in the long run. Oil keeps your engine cool, lubricated, and running smoothly. Make sure to use synthetic oil for better performance and change it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Don't fall for the 10,000-mile oil change myth. Your transmission fluid is just as important. It ensures smooth gear shifts and prevents overheating. Most cars need a transmission fluid change every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, but if you drive in heavy traffic or extreme conditions, you may need to change it sooner. A dirty air filter makes it harder for your engine to breathe, reducing performance and burning more fuel. Keep your engine running efficiently by checking and replacing the air filter regularly. If you drive on dusty roads, inspect it more often. Replacing the filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles is a simple and inexpensive fix that improves fuel economy and engine longevity. Cloudy or yellow headlights reduce visibility and make your car look older. Instead of paying for new headlights, you can restore them at home in just a few minutes with toothpaste. Apply a little whitening toothpaste to a microfiber cloth or sponge. Rub it in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes, rinse, and wipe dry. This quick fix will clear up your headlights and make them shine brighter. For extra protection, apply a thin layer of car wax to prevent future cloudiness. Car batteries may work perfectly when new, but their performance starts to decline as soon as they're filled with acid. Always check the manufacturing date before buying a battery and choose one that's less than a month old for optimal performance. Before installing it, charge the new battery for 1 to 2 hours to ensure it works at its best. Also, don't forget to clean the corrosion from the battery terminals to prevent starting issues. Belts and hoses are small parts, but they are crucial for keeping your car running smoothly. The serpentine belt powers critical components like the battery, steering, and AC, while hoses circulate coolant and oil to prevent engine overheating. Over time, these components can crack, wear out, or leak, causing your car to lose power or stop running altogether. Check for visible damage and listen for squealing sounds, which indicate a worn belt. If anything looks compromised, replace it right away. If your heater starts blowing cold air, it's usually because your car is low on coolant. Since your heater relies on hot engine coolant to warm up the cabin, a low coolant level can leave you shivering behind the wheel. The fix is simple. Pop the hood, check the coolant tank, and top it off if necessary. Just make sure to use the correct coolant for your car. Many mechanics will try to sell you a coolant flush, claiming it's essential for your car. However, most modern cars don't require a coolant flush until around 100,000 miles. Flushing coolant too early is just an unnecessary expense. Instead, consult your owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendations. If your coolant is dirty, low, or causing overheating, it's time for a change. Otherwise, don't fall for this upsell. If your AC stops blowing cold air, the compressor is usually to blame. Fixing the compressor can cost around $500, and if other parts need replacing, the bill can exceed $1,000. To avoid this expensive repair, make sure to run your AC regularly, even in the winter. Keep an eye on coolant levels and listen for unusual noises. This simple maintenance can save you hundreds of dollars on repairs. By following these simple car repair tips, you'll save a significant amount of money on repairs and keep your car running efficiently for years. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch my next video, where I'll share insider advice on cutting repair costs and keeping your car in top shape.